Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from Bybit to MetaMask. For that, you need to first launch your Bybit mobile application and then you just have to log into your account. Afterwards, you need to tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And then you need to tap on Withdraw. Once you will be landed on this page where you are going to see bunch of different cryptos that you can transfer from Bybit account to MetaMask. So you just have to select any of the coins that you want to transfer. Let's say I want to transfer USDT. So I will simply use the search bar in the top and I will type USDT in the search bar. Once done, you will have to tap on USDT and then you will be landed on this withdraw page. Over here, it will ask you to paste the address in this section. So we need to get that address from MetaMask. So in order to get it, you first have to launch your MetaMask app, and after that you need to make sure that it is selected as main network, Ethereum main network. Then you will have to tap on USDT. Now if you are not able to find USDT over here, then you will have to first tap on the import tokens option. Then in the search bar, you simply need to search for USDT, and after selecting USDT, you will be able to see that now USDT icons is in the Ethereum main network. Now, if you tap on it and scroll down, you will have to tap on receive. Then you will be able to see a QR code as well as the deposit address. So you need to copy that deposit address from here and then you will have to come back to Bybit and you simply need to paste the address in the address bar. Then in the network, you will have to select it as ERC20 because in MetaMask, we have selected ERC20. Then in the amount, you will have to enter the amount that you want to transfer from your Bybit account to MetaMask. Afterwards, you need to tap on withdraw button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you just have to confirm your withdrawal and this way you will be able to easily transfer from Bybit to MetaMask. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.